Hey, what's up, you losers? It's Jensen, and I hope you all know how much I love you this week, because this week is Dare Week. Yeah, I'm such a wuss. I don't like doing dares, and I have to do dares that the rest of losers like us dare me to do. I'm not going to do all of them, but I'm going to do some of them, and a lot of them I don't want to do, because I don't like doing dares. So, I'm going to get started. Okay, so the first dare I'm going to be doing is from Jack, and it says, take a shot of ketchup. Obviously, I don't have a shot glass, so I'm going to just use this spoon. Ketchup isn't that bad, to be honest. Oh my Jesus, it's coming out. Oh, that's gross. It's on my arm. That's disgusting. This one's for you, Jack. I hope you're satisfied with this. Ew. That's gross. Okay. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Gone. All of it gone. Next dare I'm doing is from Natalie. And she says, eat a spoonful of either ketchup or mustard. And since I just did one with ketchup from Jack, I'm going to do the mustard. And let me give you this heads up. I despise mustard. I hate it more than anything else. I can't believe I'm doing this. This is so disgusting. Oh. I hope you're happy. Ew. Happy? I hate you. Oh my god, this is so disgusting. I can't do this. The smell just makes me want to puke. Okay. I'm just gonna... Okay. 3, 2, 1. I can't do it. Ooh. It's gone. Okay, since I just downed the most disgusting thing known to man, I'm gonna do Brianna's dare next and chug a bottle of water. Obviously, I don't have a bottle of water, so I'm using this. So, it better help, because it's so disgusting. I swear this is so disgusting. I don't know how fast I can do this, but just a warning, I have a small bladder. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's on my face. I still taste that mustard. My god, it's awful. I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna freaking puke. I feel like I'm gonna puke. Oh my god. I hope that's good enough. Ew. It's done. You biatches. If I puke, I blame you. Oh, I still can't get that mustard taste out of my mouth. I don't know. Don't judge me. Okay, so the next dare I'm going to be doing is one that I dared everyone else to do. And it's see how many times you can burp within 1 minute. So, it shouldn't be that hard because I just downed this whole freaking thing of water and ketchup and mustard. And it, ugh. Okay, so I'm going to start. Okay. I'm sorry. This should be for guys. I don't care. I'm a girl and I burp. Belch, whatever you want to call it. Oh. Oh my god. I'm gonna make myself puke. Oh my Jesus. Oof. So, I think that was a minute, close to a minute, that's close enough. Anyways, that was 26 burps, I believe. 26 in 1 minute, new record. High five. Hopefully I made you smile in this week's video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe, comment down below. Comment down below the craziest thing you've ever done as a dare. Also subscribe to my channel and check out the videos I just posted of covers I just did with a group that I met at a 5 Seconds of Summer meetup in Columbia. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you next week with another video. I have no idea what the thing's going to be, so I have to figure it out soon. Sorry for rambling, and hope you enjoyed this week. Okay guys, I'm gonna go. Bye!